Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing some resin. I'm just trying out some new pigments. These mica pigments are a tester. They were ethically sourced, so no children touch these to make them, so that's good. So we're just testing these to see how well they perform. Start out with a little bit of yellow. Let's see if that's enough. I've got 20 grams of resin in these, and it's the laminating resin from Sam. So let's see how much pigment we need. I think I could use a little bit more. Stir this in. It's looking pretty nice. Okay, let that sit for a little bit. When using mica powders, just please use your respirator. They're so fine they can go into your lungs, and that's not why you want them. So let's get some green. Let's do a little bit more. Mixing that in. Oh, it's looking pretty nice. And let's do the same for the red. This red is really pretty. Okay, so let's see if we can make something fun. As I said, it's just a test of the new pigments. See how they work. A bit of yellow. Pour some red. Let's see how well they mix or stay separate. Normally you would get brown by adding these colors together. Some more yellow. My table isn't really level, I'm seeing now. That's okay. It's just a color test. Let's add a little bit of clear. Okay, let's torch it. Let it sit for a little bit, and I've got a couple tiny molds. I've got some resin left. Let's do some tiny ones. So let's see how these turn out. It's really funky looking, so let me see if I can bring this. Oh no, that's gonna shift everywhere. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it, cover it up, and I'll see you when it's cured. So it's the next day, time to mold. Let's start with the tiny ones. That's pretty. This one looks really cool from this side. I was expecting more of striations on the bottom, but they're all on the top. So let's do the big one. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's kind of cool. It does have some sort of striations, but I only used mica powders and no pigments, so I wasn't expecting that much. It was just a test to see how the mica powders work. Let's put on a flash. So this was the top I poured on. This is the back. A lot of sparkle. It does feel like the mica powder doesn't really want to suspend. But I'll have to test some more. It's looking nice and shiny. This one looks so cool from this side. good test. Like the colors. So I'll do some more tests and hopefully we can make something funky. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone!